technology. For more updates and details, please do like, share and subscribe.
Hello friends, welcome back with a new tutorial on MS Excel for the beginners. We are Team Inclusive Globe Technology and I am Oindrila Basu. Today we are going to learn how to insert rows and columns into a worksheet using Home tab options through Screen Reader NVDA and using keyboard only. Let us consider a table containing name of the students, their required marks in 2 subjects, suppose maths and physics, and their total for 3 students. Let's see the column headers.
Name 1, Maths B1, Physics C1, Total D1.
Let's see the records one by one.
Andy A2 name, 40 B2 Maths, 50 C2 Physics, 90 D2 Total. Boris A3 name, 70 B3 Maths, 80 C3 Physics, 150 D3 Total. Dennis A4 name, 100 B4 Maths, 100 C4 Physics, 200 D4 Total.
Now suppose we want to insert a new row in the place of first student at row 2. Then first we have to place the cell pointer on any cell of that row. So I am placing it at A2.
Andy A2.
Insert sheet rows option is available on the Home tab under cells grouping and inside the Insert Split button. So I am pressing Alt-H for the Home tab.
Ribbon tabs tab control expanded. Home tab selected Alt, H2 of 9.
Now I am pressing tab for cells grouping.
Home grouping, clipboard grouping, paste split button unavailable, cut button remove, copy split button collapse, format painter top, office clipboard dot, font edit Alt, font size edit Alt, home grouping, decrease font size button, bold toggle button, italic toggle button, underline split button, border split button collapse, fill color split button, font color split, format cell font, alignment grouping, middle align toggle button, bottom align top orientation, align left toggle button, center toggle button, align right toggle, decrease indent button, increase indent button, wrap text toggle button, merge and center split, format cell align, number format edit Alt, home grouping, number, percent style button, comma style button, increase decimal button, decrease decimal, format cell number button, styles grouping, condition, format as table collapsed, cell styles collapsed, cells grouping, insert split button collapsed at cells comma, rows comma, columns or sheets to your workbook dot, Alt comma, H comma, I.
Here we will get 4 options for inserting cells, rows, columns and worksheets. To see the available options, I am pressing Alt down arrow.
Insert cells dot, insert cells comma, rows comma, or columns into the sheet or table dot, FYI colon, new rows will be added above the selection and new columns will be added to the left of the selection dot, Alt comma, H comma, I control plus shift plus equals.
I am pressing down arrow.
Insert sheet rows Alt comma, H comma, I comma, R.
I am pressing down arrow again.
Insert sheet columns Alt comma, H comma, I comma, Z.
Again.
Insert sheet insert worksheet left paren, shift plus F11 right paren, Alt comma, H comma, I comma, S.
To get a new row, I am pressing enter on Insert Sheet Rows option.
Tutorial 8-Excel.
A new row has already been inserted as row 2 and all the existing records have been shifted down to its next row. Let's see new row 2 and new row 3.
A2 name, B2 Maths, C2 Physics, D2 Total. Andy A3 name, 40 B3 Maths, 50 C3 Physics, 90 D3 Total.
The shortcut key for insert sheet rows is Alt-H IR, where Alt-H is for Home tab and IR is for insert row. Next we'll see how to insert multiple rows, but before that, let's see the A column once.
Name A1, A2.
Newly inserted row.
Andy A3, Boris A4, Dennis A5.
Suppose we want to insert 2 new empty rows before the student name Boris. Then first we have to select the cells or the rows where we want to insert these 2 rows. I am selecting 2 names Boris and Dennis by shift down arrow.
A4 Boris through A5 Dennis selected row 4 through 5 column 1 quick analysis available.
And pressing Alt-H IR.
Ribbon tabs tab control I insert tutorial 8-Excel.
2 new rows have already been inserted as row 4 and 5. Let's see the new A column.
Name 1, a 2,
First inserted empty row.
and a 3, a 4, a 5,
Newly inserted 2 empty rows.
or is a 6, then is a 7.
Next we'll see how to insert columns. The methods for inserting rows and columns are identical. Let's see in the application. Suppose we want to insert a new column for roll numbers on the left side of the student's name. Then first we have to place the cell pointer on that column where we want to insert the new one. So I am placing the cell pointer at A1.
Name at 1,
Insert Sheet Columns option is also available on the Home tab under Cells Grouping and inside the Insert Split button. I am pressing Alt-HI for the insert options.
ribbon, insert cells ... insert cells, rows, or columns into the sheet or table ... FYI : new rows will be added above the selection and new columns will be added to the left of the selection ... Alt, H, I, Control plus Shift plus equals.
I am pressing down arrow.
Insert sheet rows Alt, H, I, R.
I am pressing down arrow again.
Insert sheet columns Alt, H, I, C.
I am pressing enter.
Sheet 1 table a 1,
A new empty column has been inserted.
a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5.
I am writing roll in A1.
Edit cell edit R, O, L, L. Roll at 1,
Let's see the column headers now.
roll at 1. Name B1, Math C1, Physics D1, Total E1.
Due to insertion of a new column, all the existing columns of this table have been shifted right to its next column. The shortcut key for the Insert Sheet Columns option is Alt-H-IC, where Alt-H is for Home tab and IC is for Insert Column. Next we'll see insertion of multiple columns. Suppose we want to insert 3 new columns on the left side of the Total Marks column. The column header total is in E column. So first we have to select 3 cells from column E to G.
E1 total through G1 selected row 1 column 5.
I am pressing Alt-H-IC.
Ribbon tabs, insert sheet 1 table E1.
Now see the column headers.
Roll at 1. Name B1. Math C1. Physics D1. E1. F1. G1. Total H1.
So 3 new empty columns have been inserted from column E to G. This is the process for inserting rows and columns into a worksheet. This is one of the way, but there are some other ways to insert rows and columns into a worksheet. We will discuss those in our upcoming tutorial. Before going to end up today's session, let us see the salient shortcut keys at a glance. To insert a new row or rows, Alt-H-IR, and to insert a new column or columns, Alt-H-IC. This is all about for today. If you have any query, then email us at info@inclusiveglobe.com. If you feel this tutorial is informative, please share it to your friends. You can also get the previous tutorial links in the description, and we are eagerly waiting for your valued opinion and a like. Thank you.